Hey, what's up guys? This is DJ Zinhle and I'm back with another cooking video. Yep, you heard right. This is the first of my 4-part winter warmer series with my friends at McCain. Let me show you how to make it. Let's go. Step 1, season your steak well. I'm using some salt, pepper, little steak and chop spice, and lastly, some olive oil. Step 2, place the steak into the Philips air fryer. I'm going to set mine at 10 minutes at 200 degrees because I like mine medium to well. Ding! Wow! I'm gonna let that rest in there for 3 minutes to get the juices combined. I'm serving my steak with already seasoned McCain oven baked chips with skin on. And we'll set that for 12 minutes at 200 degrees. I'm such a good chef. Lastly, I'm gonna top my steak with 1 fried egg. So chefy of me. Well, look at this. Now that's a real winter warmer if you ask me. See you next week.